This is how we're making pimento cheese. Can't remember which way. It's lefty loosey. I'm just not super strong. Leverage. Chef's neck. Forgot to put on cook mode. That's too high. Wow. Alright. I was struggling too much with that before. I'll put about half. Which I'm going to put about most there. A little bit more. I just want the crumbs in here. I'll use that to build the sauce, the dressing. I'm just wiping off my spatula a bunch of times so I don't have to use a bunch of spoons. I don't want too much mayonnaise. And come back and adjust the mayonnaise situation later. Whoops. We're going to keep the dukes out for adjustment later. Scoop this up so I don't bump this again. For depth out as well. Well, 93 still. I need a tool for this. I have that right here. I used to work for the City of St. Louis Department of Health Air Pollution Control Department. Department of Health Department. There we go. Love work swag. Need to drain these. I forgot I need to drain these. Oh, let's get this. Okay. I'm not moving the camera. It's too hard to reset it. They don't have to be like totally dry. A little bit of the juice is good. And try and get all that goodness. I'm out of there. You slags. More snacks for later. And I'm supplementing with this Jersey Mike's pepper relish that we love. It's pretty hot. It's delicious. Not much for now. I doubt we'll need salt and pepper. Let me add a little pepper. Black pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder, not garlic salt. Just like a 1/4 teaspoon maybe. I forgot to put the blade in. That makes a difference. Just scoot it away. I think that'll work. It's still the pimentos, but that's all right. This way. See how that does. I should have saved some whole pimentos. It's data. I've never made it like this before. I just wanted to make sure the cream cheese got blended, and it's blended enough. Right. Trying not to be too obsessed with cleaning everything off completely because that wastes energy too. As much as I hate to waste food, you gotta know when you're starting to waste energy and balance it out. All right. Let's see how we did. Could do this in a stand mixer. I just didn't want to dirty another whole bunch of stuff. All right. Stabilize it. I'm gonna switch arms. That's pretty well enough mixed, though. Right. Grabbing off the bottom. It looks pretty good. All right, but we gotta taste it. That's very nearly perfect. Actually, I think it needs a little salt, which is weird. A little more pepper relish. Needs a little bit more of a kick. That should do. Let's taste. That's perfect. Maybe just one. I'm going to keep some for myself. Now I just have a few dishes to do.